Hey, what is up you guys? How you guys doing? So the other day I was on a channel called The Random Frank, and this guy bought it like a legit. I only got one, but this guy bought 2 boxes of this like a tech box, pretty much like a mystery box from this like a liquidation site. It's like Amazon Returns. And guys, basically I loved that video. It was awesome. I'm pretty sure everybody else that watched it, they loved it too. There was so much positive feedback on it. So I went on the site and started browsing the site, you know, checking it out. And I found some stuff, Amazon Returns of course. So guys, this was around like $340, so let's just say that this was $350. And guys, before I placed my order, I like checked out Reddit to see if other people got something as well. So I seen one guy paid like one something, I think it was 180-ish. He paid, and pretty much he got a box full of chargers, and that scared the life out of me. I'm like, if I get that, I'm gonna, you know, be in a bad situation. So guys, in here could be either brand new stuff or pretty much some used stuff as well. So guys, I went ahead and cut the packaging right here. Alright, so like, oh my god. So the first thing that we, okay, I'm gonna zoom in the camera a little bit guys so you guys can see even better. Oh shoot. So guys, pretty much I see lots of things in here. I don't know what these exactly are, so let's dig right into it. The first thing I see is it's a PS4 controller, and the packaging looks a little bit damaged. Okay, it does look damaged, as you guys can see right here. Packaging looks damaged, but I'm gonna try all these things out at the end of this video. So yeah, we got this thing right here guys. Is a PS4 controller, I believe. Yeah, it's a PS4 controller. This worth like how much? If I sell it, like how much would I get for this? The last time I saw this on Best Buy, it was like 49 or something, or 39 or 49. Either that. So there's like 40 bucks in here, 40 bucks. Guys, next up we have what do we? Wow. We have this thing right here. I don't know what this is. Alright, from the looks of it, guys, it looks like a, you know, those like vacuum sucker things, you know, like you put your clothes in there and it sucks the air out of it. So I think this like, oh, it's space bags pretty much. 6 large. These are expensive guys. On Walmart I seen, also on Kmart, these are like super expensive. They go from like 17 to 30 bucks, which is 30 bucks right here. So put this aside. We have this thing. Okay, that's not good. Oh, but guys, the box seems to be perfect. Like the box seems to be, you know, not open, so it's like brand new, I believe. So here we go. I think this is like a wireless charger for Android, and it has an iPhone 10 picture on it, iPhone X. And it works with iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, and iPhone X, so this is pretty cool, as you guys can see. Next up, we have this thing right here. Okay, we have this Bluetooth earbuds right here. And guys, if you guys ever like buy any like, you know, these Bluetooths or like, you know, headphones from online, don't just put them on without cleaning it out. I'm pretty sure these are like used because they don't have like a seal on it. So this is pretty much used, I believe. Has to be. Yeah, it's used. It's used. So don't just put it in your ear because people could have like ear infection, other people, random people. So then they don't clean them when they send it out. So pretty much clean it out and then pretty much put it in your ear. I'm not gonna throw this away because, you know, it's Bluetooth, it's really cool. I just hope it works. Alright, so this guys right here, it's really dirty. This is a Canon EOS Rebel, okay, Canon T5 camera, okay. It's a DSLR obviously. Guys, with this, as a use, obviously use it. The seal's got, like the seal right here guys is broken, look. Yep, it's broken. Let's open this up guys. I hope it's not just the box. Alright, the first thing I see here guys is a CD. I think that's manual. And then pretty much we have a lens, yeah, we have a lens. Alright guys, so right here, as you guys can see, we have the camera right here and the manual, the instruction manual. Okay, this is the charger right here. So I put this on side. I'm gonna put it on side as well. We have some setup CDs for like the computer, I guess. We have these right here. Guys, after that we have chargers, I believe, or like USB cables. Let's put it away. We have another lens, 18 to 85mm lens. After that, guys, we have, oh my god, this is legit, this is legit, this is legit. Okay. Okay, this is legit. Okay, this isn't like a package, so suspicious. So let's check it out. Alright guys, here we go. We have the Canon T5 camera. It seems to be in good condition. So I'm gonna try it out. The battery's in there also, so we have a Canon T5 camera. This is sub, I think it's like 300 bucks. So, wow. For the Canon T5 camera. And then afterwards we have, not tech, but we have this one right here. I'm confused. This is, it says Maryland. Oh, this is like to make, to like darken your hair, I guess. It's like a ink, pretty much like ink hair darkener. So I think that's what, it's like a 6-pack. So yeah, permanent hair color powder. Okay, this is what this is, as you guys can see right there. Alright guys, so after that we got a wallet, Steve Madden wallet. I got this thing, oh my god. Oh no. This seems to be a 4K Ultra HD Android IPTV. So it's like it's like the set-top box, which you can watch channels on. Wow. Okay, this is really cool, guys. So channels. Let's put this here. I don't know how much this is. So one of my cousins actually has something like this. So this goes for like $280-ish at a store. Okay guys, after this we have what is this? We have this thing right here, as you guys can see. We have Duracell rechargeable battery pack, and with the charger also. So we have this thing. Okay, guys, what the hell? This is a PS4. And okay, what the hell? Oh no. Alright, so let's open this up, guys. I also have a PS4 as well. No way, dude. No freaking way. Like, it's kind of dirty. Oh, I get it now. So at the beginning there was a PS4 controller, and right now we have a PS4. So I think it's like a bundle, I guess. I wish this was Xbox One because I never really owned the Xbox One. But I'm thankful I got this. On Black Friday I saw this was like 2 something. So let's just say $250, brand new. Alright guys, up next we have this thing right here. This seems to be zip ties, colorful zip ties. We have these right here. Screen protectors, fits for iPhone X. Okay, I got an iPhone 10 screen protector here. Alright guys, up next we have headphones, like once again. As you guys can see, we have, okay, this is inside a Ziploc bag, so I'm wondering. We have some cheap headphones, I believe. I don't see a brand around these, so I'm gonna test them out though after I clean it. So these are not branded, so these are pretty cool. So yeah, headphones. So guys, this seems to be like a wireless charger, wireless charging pad. Okay, it's a wireless charging pad made in China. We have this thing right here as well. What is this supposed to be? Ultra compact USB 2.0. Okay, let's say your computer doesn't have, like, you know, many USB ports that you want, and if you use this like a USB port extender, so this is what this is, I guess. Oh wow, we have this. Okay, this seems to be a Blue Yeti microphone. Yeah, Blue Yeti microphone. Let's open it up, guys, and okay, I hope this works. If it doesn't work, I'll be sad. I'm already happy because I paid not much and I got so much. Blue Yeti. Okay, Blue Yeti. If we open this up, oh my god, this is so dope. This is so dope. We got this thing right here, guys, the Blue Yeti microphone, which is so cool. Oh my god, I hope this works. I hope this really works. Guys, if this is what I think it is, then pretty much this whole video just became doper, 10 times doper, and 10 times more expensive than all the other things that I just shown you guys. So, okay, this seems to be used, but we got an iPhone 10 box right here. Oh god. We got an iPhone 10 box, as you guys could see. This is the 64GB model, iPhone X. Okay, iPhone X, iPhone 10, silver. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen like these boxes with, like, you know, the wrappers on it. I don't see a wrapper anywhere, so let's just open it up. So this is used 100%. Okay, fingers crossed, please. then oh no way, no way, no way. Guys, we have a legit iPhone 10, iPhone X. There is no way this is like legit. What the hell? Okay, this one is starting up, so I'm gonna leave this behind. Okay, welcome to iPhone. Okay, I'm gonna set it up in a bit. So let's put this aside. Oh, I get it, I get it, I get it, I get it, I get it. So before we got the screen protectors for iPhone 10, so this was for the iPhone 10, and these seems to be not open, so it's legit. Guys, after that we have, okay, another iPhone. Is it? It's not iPhone, it's not iPhone, it's the iPod Touch, guys. This seems to be like a very old iPod Touch right here, as you guys can see. Right here, guys, as you guys can see, iPod. So let's see if it turn. Where's the power button? Guys, no, I didn't turn it on. Pretty sure it needs some charge, so I'm gonna charge it up. Okay, guys, after that we have this thing right here. Okay. This is not tech, but it's close to tech. We got a shower head. Okay, this seems to be pretty dope. Okay, we got like a legit shower head. So let's open it up, guys. And power. Is it like a Bluetooth something? No way. Is this like a Bluetooth? There's no way. So guys, this right here is a luggage measurer, pretty much. It's like a travel scale. So with this, guys, you can measure your checked bags. I had this before, so I know what this is. This is, oh wow, this has a, oh no, it's used. This is the Apple headphones with the 3.5 millimeter thing, the jack. I bought this before from Toys R Us before it closed down. I bought mine for like $3 or $4. It was half off, something like that. So I bought it and I got one more. So alright guys, up next we have this. This seems to be a TV antenna cable, or like Comcast, you know, those for the modems. Next up we have some games. So this one is actually Dragon Ball Xenoverse. The Xenoverse, yeah, the first Xenoverse for Dragon Ball Z for PS4. So now right now it makes like sense because we got a PS4, we got the games as well. And then this doesn't make sense because this is a PSP game, not a PS4. So this is Dragon Ball Z Tenkaichi Tag Team. Guys, if I'm not mistaken, then this iPhone itself is like $1,000 almost, right? Isn't it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. And after that, oh, no way, no way, no way. So guys, this is a DJI Osmo. It's like a stabilizing camera, 4K camera, which is really, really cool. And I always wanted this. And right now I have it. This dirty, guys. This super dirty. Look. Oh god. The camera cut off again, guys. So this itself is like $600 or $700, I think. Okay, so we have this thing right here, guys. Some chargers, some manuals, I guess. Then we have the DJI Osmo itself. Wow. Packaging is cool. Alright guys, so we have the DJI Osmo over here. I hope this really works. So this is used, I believe, so this is returned, so which is still cool. And guys, last but not least, guys, we have this thing right here. So this is a rig for the GoPro and also the DSLR cameras. Oh, DSLR camera. Okay. So this goes with that, I think. I remember always wanting this. These were like expensive back in the days, guys, and right now I got one, so which is cool. And I really wanted one so bad that I made one by myself. I couldn't really get it. It was too much. And yeah, so I made my own, guys. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Give me 1 second. And guys, I'm back. So this is the one that I made, guys. This is like a rig that I made out of like a iPhone case right here, as you guys can see. Like an iPhone case, and also my old tripod I used, and some screws as well. And yeah, I used like PVC pipes as well, as you guys can see. PVC pipes, PVC pipe joints. So yeah, this worked back in the days. I don't use them no more. Oh, what the heck? I don't know what this is, guys, honestly. So guys, we have this thing right here, as you guys can see. Okay, this seems to be this is returned, obviously. Scorpion JR, Scorpion Junior. This is what this is called. This seems to be like really used. So the most interesting things that I got was the PS4, guys. I'm gonna see if that works. I'm gonna see the iPhone. I'm gonna see it right now if it works. If this works, then legit, this video is dope. And we got the DJI Osmo as well. We got the iPod. And then, guys, we have Blue Yeti microphone. And then we got a camera. We got a PS4. Like, if I'm guessing right now, I'm doing my math right. There's well over $2,000 in here of stuff. And I roughly paid like $340, so let's just say $350. So I paid $350 for all these things right here. I'm pretty sure this is worth well over 2,000 bucks. I'm pretty sure of that. And right now, guys, I'm gonna set up this iPhone right here. I hope this is not like iCloud lock. This would be really bad if it is. So I'm gonna set up this iPhone right now. Alright, guys, so the iPhone is pretty much set up. It doesn't have iCloud lock or anything on it. And so, guys, we have an iPhone 10, a perfectly functional iPhone 10. This is silver, I believe. This is silver, yeah. No cracks, nothing on it. It's just some sticky residue on the back for some reason, which is easily like you can remove it with like, you know, some water or like some soap, I believe. So pretty much the camera, it works. Oh wow, it works. And then, guys, 64 gigabyte, perfect. I have to update it. It's not updated. Anyways, guys, that is about it. That's all I have for you guys today. Do let me know what you guys think about this. And guys, if you guys want to see if all these things right here work, I'm pretty sure it does. So I'll make another video if you guys really want it. Give me a thumbs up on this video. And if you guys are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe, guys. And yeah, so this was an awesome video, guys. Like, it blew away my expectations. And I gotta say, I gotta give a big shout out to Random Frank, because this guy video was really dope. And without him, this video would not be possible. So go check him out. His video was more doper than mine. He got some awesome stuff in there, which I really wanted. But you know, it's cool. I got some good stuff as well, guys. Go check him out. Link in the description box. I'm pretty sure you guys came from that video to this video. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day, everyone.